If you're trying to get better with money, you might have heard of the Clarity Money app. It's a budgeting tool that helps you track spending, set financial goals, and even cancel subscriptions you don't use anymore. It pulls all your accounts into one place so you can see where your money's going. Kind of like Mint, but with a few extra features. That makes it great if you want a clear picture of your finances without logging everything by hand. But here's the deal. Clarity Money was bought by Credit Karma, and most of its features are now part of the Credit Karma app. So if you already use Credit Karma, you might not need Clarity at all. So, is it worth using? If you're new to budgeting and want a simple way to start, yes, give it a try. But if you're already using Credit Karma or want more advanced tools, you might not be missing much. Let me know if you use Clarity Money. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.